You already know that this is the sign for 100. Now, let's add to what you already know. What's 200? Right, 200. And 300? Right, 300. 400? 500. 600. 700. 800. 900. Now, you should be able to count up to 999 with the knowledge you have already. What's 729? It's 729. 352? 352. 835. 938. 625. 392. 998.
999. And here's 1,000. The sign for 1,000 is based on the letter M, which is the Roman numeral for 1,000. It's been modified to include all the fingers of the hand. 1,000. Now you can express any number from 1 to 1,000,000. 1,900 is 1,900. 8,500 is 8,500. 8,550 is 8,550. 8,558 is 8,558. And of course, you'd sign all the other numbers in the same way. 999,999 is 999,999. Just like the number says.
And then there's a million. The sign for a million is based on the letter M, which is the Roman numeral for 1,000. It's been modified to include all the fingers of the hand. 1,000 to the second power equals a million. 1 million.
I think that should cover all the whole numbers you'll need. So let's get into some fractions. Since fractions are one number over another, that's exactly what you do. Sign 1/2 for 1/2. Sign 1/3 for 1/3. Sign 1/4 for 1/4. Or any two numbers that are in your fraction.
Now, let's talk about ordinal words, or words that tell us what order someone or something is in, like first, second, third, and so forth. This is the first person in line. Otherwise, sign first by twisting the number 1 toward you, such as for your first love.
This is second, as in Dorothy was the second person in line. Otherwise, sign second by twisting the number toward you, such as for the second grade.
This is third, as in Sally was the third to cross the line. Otherwise, you sign third by twisting the number 3 toward you, such as for 3rd Street.
This is fourth, as in Luke was the fourth person to cross the line. Otherwise, sign 4 by twisting the number 4 toward you, such as for the fourth floor.
This is the fifth, as in Jimmy was the fifth one to cross the line, yeah. Otherwise, you sign fifth by twisting the number 5 toward you, such as for the Fifth Amendment.
You want to also use 1 and 2 to show how often something happened, once or twice. Form the number 1 and strike it across your palm to indicate an action happens once.
Form the number 2 and strike the middle finger across your palm to indicate an action happens twice. This is also the sign for double.
And before we send you on to do some practice, there's just one more number-related topic to cover: dollars and cents. You touch the number 1 to your temple to show 1 cent, or a penny. Why? Maybe because S-E-N-S-E, cents, and C-E-N-T-S, cents, sound alike, and hearing people who influenced signs used this sound relationship when the sign was created. Or maybe there's another reason. We'll probably never know. The sign for dollar is more logical. Let your open palm represent a dollar bill as you move your other hand across it to show its shape. Dollar.
So, just point to your temple to indicate cents and show how many cents you mean. 2 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents. For dollars, show how many dollars you're talking about, followed by the sign for dollar. $10, $30, $75. Did you notice I didn't use any numbers from 1 to 9? Why? Because we sign $1 through $9 like this. $1, $3, $7, $9.
We've put everything you've learned about using numbers into the following practice. Let's see how you do.